Man, let me tell you, after struggling, being out of commission, so to speak, due to COVID, and coming back in 2022 with a truncated version, and then heading back to the full version of the competition this time around, I couldn't be more pleased with what happened over the 4 rounds and how it ended up. Just overwhelmed, overjoyed, happy, elated, all the superlatives you can find.
And you've clearly learned a lot from this season and as you go to season 11.
Right.
What will you take from this to that?
From this to that, I would say our pre-competition school tour is the valid part of our operation, and we want more people to come on board, more support, more people to come on board, so we can get into more schools.
Wow, I'm touched. In fact, I'm inspired by the new generation, you know, and I'm really feeling, I'm overwhelmed to see the type of music that the youngsters play now. Because some of what is happening now, I can't relate to it, you know. So what the youth are doing now, it's really inspiring to me, you know. And also, I'm happy to be a part of the school band competition in terms of being a cornerstone and being supportive. And as I said before, it's really a pleasure, And I will be always donating. As it is now, I'm a co-sponsor, you know, input, donate guitars and all of that. And I'll be always on board. And I want to encourage corporate sponsors from any side, any direction to come on board, because this is a youth development, nation development.